Ever wondered how fast your trading profits land in your bank account from Pocket Option? Let's break down Pocket Option withdrawal times so you know exactly what to expect. Typically, Pocket Option aims to process withdrawal requests within 1 to 3 business days. However, the actual time your funds arrive can vary significantly based on the payment method you choose. For instance, withdrawals to wallets like Skrill or Perfect Money are often processed the quickest, sometimes within the same business day after the initial Pocket Option processing. Bank transfers, on the other hand, can take a bit longer, often incorporating the processing times of both Pocket Option and your bank. A crucial factor influencing withdrawal speed, especially for larger amounts or first-time withdrawals, is account verification. Ensure your account is fully verified by submitting the requested identification documents. This process helps prevent fraud and is a standard security measure for most financial platforms. Be aware that certain factors can introduce delays. Weekends and public holidays, for both Pocket Option and your chosen payment processor, are not usually counted in business days. Also, if there's a high volume of requests, processing times might extend slightly. So, while Pocket Option strives for swift withdrawals, managing your expectations is a key factor in the processing time plus any potential delays from your payment provider. And always ensure your account verification is complete. This way, you can confidently access your trading gains.